Now, with the only tri-state forecast that's independently certified most accurate, here's meteorologist Randy Rico.
So the heavy rain is over. The big story today will be the gusty winds. Want to take a look at our futurecast of our wind gusts, especially as we head through the late morning hours. Expect wind gusts today possible up to about 45, maybe even 50 miles an hour at times. You'll notice as we get into the evening, the winds do slack off, but even at 5:30 tonight, wind gusts of 30 miles an hour are possible. So the worst of the weather as far as the strong winds go will be right when that cold front passes us, late morning, early afternoon. Today's high, 59 degrees. That's our current temperature. Expected to be much cooler through the day. 8 a.m. some spotty showers, 57. At noon we're at 52, and at 4 o'clock 48. Looking ahead to the holiday for the big travel day Wednesday, no problems here, but the East Coast could get hit with a major storm that will delay air travel. For Thursday, Thanksgiving, just a little bit of light snow, not expecting any accumulation, just kind of adding to the festive holiday spirit, maybe. Let's take a look at the roads now. India Jones, what's going on?